Have you ever had a great movie idea, but struggled to turn it into a complete sequence of scenes? That's one of the biggest challenges with AI filmmaking. Creating a consistent story usually means juggling prompts, characters, environments, camera angles, and dialogue all at the same time. Fortunately, Google has introduced a tool that makes this entire workflow much more organized. Today, I'm going to walk you through Storyboard Studio inside Google Flow, showing exactly how you can go from a written story to a fully animated AI sequence with far less manual work. Let's jump right in.
After launching Google Flow, create a brand new project. You'll arrive inside the main workspace where every creative tool is available. Instead of jumping straight into video generation, we're going to build our project properly from the ground up. Open the Tools panel on the left side. You'll notice several creative utilities available for different workflows. Scroll until you locate Storyboard Studio, then launch it. This is where the filmmaking pipeline begins.
Before generating anything, decide how your film should look. Think of this as choosing the artistic language for your project. You might prefer 3D animation. For today's example, I'll use a 3D animated look, but the workflow remains identical regardless of the style you choose. Once you've made your selection, continue to the next step. Now comes the foundation of your entire film. Paste your screenplay, short story, or even a rough outline into the editor. Within moments, Storyboard Studio analyzes your content and automatically organizes it into structured scenes. Instead of looking at one giant block of text, you'll now have individual sequences, complete with actions, dialogue, and scene descriptions. This saves an incredible amount of planning time.
Even though the AI performs the heavy lifting, always review the results and make adjustments where necessary. A polished film always benefits from a human touch.
With the script prepared, it's time to build your production library. Open the Assets section. Here, you'll create everything your story needs: characters, locations, objects. Instead of creating each one manually, use the automatic generation options. The AI scans your script and suggests assets based on the narrative. If a character doesn't match your vision, regenerate it. If a location feels inaccurate, edit it. Nothing is permanent. Everything can be refined before production begins. Next, switch over to the Storyboard workspace. You'll see each scene represented as individual frames waiting to be visualized. Generate the storyboard. Now each frame becomes a visual representation of your script. This is one of my favorite parts because you stop imagining the movie, you actually start seeing it. The storyboard gives you an opportunity to catch pacing issues, missing transitions, or awkward camera compositions before spending credits on video generation. Now it's time to bring personality into the project. Open your character library.
Click on Add from Project. Select a character and click Add to Character.
Assign a voice to each character individually. Don't simply choose the first voice you hear. Listen to several options. A calm narrator creates a completely different feeling than an energetic adventurer. Small voice changes can dramatically improve the emotional impact of your final film. Now comes the exciting part. Open your generated storyboard, click on All Media. Select the scene you'd like to animate. Rather than writing an elaborate prompt from scratch, use the built-in intelligent generation tools. Copy the scene description directly from your script. Paste it into the generator. The AI uses your existing storyboard and production assets to build a much stronger video prompt automatically. If your scene includes specific characters, reference them so the AI maintains visual consistency throughout the sequence. Once everything looks correct, generate the video. Within minutes, your static storyboard evolves into a cinematic animated scene, complete with synchronized visuals and dialogue.
Straight there and straight back, Hans. Mind the wind, it's turning.
I'm not scared of a little wind, Mama.
I know you're not. That's what worries me. Similarly, generate all the scenes with matching dialogue. Storyboard Studio doesn't magically replace creativity. Instead, it removes repetitive production work, so creators can spend more time telling better stories.
Whether you're making YouTube animations, cinematic shorts, educational videos, or AI films, this workflow can significantly speed up your production process. The biggest advantage isn't simply generating images, it's maintaining consistency from the first scene all the way to the last. That's something every AI filmmaker has struggled with. And this tool gets us much closer to solving that problem.
If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more AI filmmaking guides. Before you go, I have one question. Have you already experimented with Storyboard Studio? Drop your answer in the comments and type Google Storyboard, so I know you watched till the end. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.